Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we will talk about the dimension of the original EPS block sheets used in the leg insert mechanism and the dimension of the EPS insert leg that insert into the bottom of the big stack. 我们先来说一下原始板材片的尺寸。Let's first talk about the original EPS block sheet size. Length of the EPS block sheets 1000 mm. Width of the EPS block sheets 890 mm. Height of the EPS block sheets 90 mm. EPS insert leg size after cutting. Length of insert leg 1000 mm. Width of EPS insert leg 90 mm. Height of EPS insert leg 90 mm. One piece of the EPS block sheets can be cut into 9 pieces of EPS insert leg. After the EPS insert leg is pushed out by the push plate mechanism, the EPS insert leg can be pushed into the bottom of the big stack after the cylinder is lifted up. That's how the big stacking coming with the EPS insert leg, which greatly improve the efficiency of loading and delivery. If you have any question, please let us know. We love questions. Questions are great that give us ideas for future content. So, if you've got something you want to see me cover, please let me know about it. I'll see you next video.